Hi there, how's it going? Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
Hey everyone, if you're a city dweller craving for some restaurant quality Sopa de Mariscos, you've landed in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up this flavorful seafood soup right in your own kitchen. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a pound of mixed seafood like shrimp, mussels and clams. Fresh is best, but frozen works too. Also, grab some tomatoes, onions, garlic, bell peppers, potatoes, and a good fish stock. Don't forget fresh cilantro and lime for that extra zing. Alright, let's get cooking. Start by heating a large pot over medium heat and add a splash of olive oil. Once it's hot, toss in your chopped onions, bell peppers, and minced garlic. Sauté them until they're soft and fragrant. This is the base of our soup, so you want to get it right. Next, add your tomatoes and cook them down until they're nice and saucy. This takes about 5 minutes. Now, pour in the fish stock and bring it to a simmer. This is where the magic begins. Time to add the potatoes. Cut them into small cubes so they cook faster. Let them simmer in the broth until they're tender, about 50 minutes. While that's happening, let's prep our seafood. If you're using fresh seafood, make sure it's cleaned and ready to go. If it's frozen, give it a quick rinse under cold water. Once the potatoes are cooked, gently add the seafood to the pot. Simmer everything together for about 5-7 minutes until the seafood is just cooked through. Now for the finishing touches. Add a handful of chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir and let it sit for a couple of minutes off the heat. This lets all the flavors melt together beautifully. And there you have it, your very own Sopa de Mariscos, bursting with rich savory flavors and just the right amount of spice. Serve it hot with some crusty bread on the side, and you're all set for a delicious restaurant-quality meal at home. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing dishes you can make right in your city kitchen. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!
Afsan Farm Kitchen, a food recipe and nutrition channel for viewers like you.
Here at Afsan Farm, we believe in the power of good food and its impact on our well-being. Our mission is to present you with mouth-watering recipes that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also nourish your body and soul. We're all about promoting a healthy lifestyle through the magic of cooking, and we can't wait to share our culinary adventures with you.